Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be a Nadine West unboxing. It just came the other day. I'm trying to get caught up on videos. Trying to get caught up on posting videos and on filming videos because I'm behind. If you're not familiar with Nadine West, it's a clothing subscription. The sun's coming right in. I'm using the window. The little ones are napping and I have a little bit amount of time to film like 4 videos before I have to go get Adri from school. So if you're not familiar with Nadine West, it is a clothing subscription service where you fill out a style profile and a stylist chooses clothing for you and they send them to you. Then you have so many days to try them on, decide what you want. There's a label in here to send back what you don't want, and you only pay for what you keep. So in here we have one bundle. Oh, I see blue plaid. What is that? And we have 2 bundles. Sorry. So looks like in here I have top, bottom, necklace, and other. What does that mean? So it says there's a top that's Gillian and Heather Gray, a top that's Maryland top medium, other is Maryland other item, the bottom is Amadine, and a bottom that's navy. So let's try and figure out. Okay, the first top on this list is Heather Gray, so we'll find the Heather Gray item and go from there. Okay. So the first thing is the Gillian or Jillian, I don't know. It's with a G, like Gilligan's Island. And it is in Heather Gray. So let's see what this is. Oh, this is cute. It's like a cardigan, but it's not like a super long one. So it's this Heather Gray cardigan. That's all the long grade is. Look at the sleeves. So it's like 3/4 sleeves. And they have this button. It's like cinch up. You can probably, can you unbutton it and have it be full sleeve? Let's just see. Ooh, yes you can. So it can be long sleeve. Cool. So you can undo it and have it long sleeve. Or you can leave it how they have it. Oh my gosh. I'm sitting on the floor, squeezed in by my couch. Or you can have it the way that they have it and leave it cinched. That's cute. Sometimes it's nice to have a cardigan that's not super long. That's really cute. I can't wait to try that on. What is on my pillow? For crying out loud. I tell you, this place is a disaster. The more I try to clean, the more my kids tear it up. I don't know. Anyway, so there's that. Okay, the next thing on here says it's a top. There should only be one other top in here. Let's see, that's bottoms. Oh, we'll just do that. It's okay. So these would be the Rhea in navy blue. So here's these. They're the super dark blue jeans. They have the distressing just like, it's probably gonna be right above the knee, like on the thigh. There's nothing else at the bottom. The bottom cuffs are normal. It has front pockets and back pockets. There's no distressing on the back. I love the dark wash. Love these. I like how they just have like a little bit of distressing. Cute. I like those. Okay, the next thing is a bottom. It's Armadine in black. So they are these. The sun is blinding me, but there's nowhere else to sit in here and have light. It says Ultimate Tummy Control. Oh, these are cute. Look, they have like the black buttons at the top. Okay, I just saw them in the... Look how cute. It has front pockets. They have front pockets. They have fake back pockets. And they're just plain black leggings. I like those. Can't go wrong with plain black. So there's those. The next up here, it says top. Maryland top in medium. So let's see. Oh, that's what the plaid thing is. Ooh, I love this. I really love this. It's a full, does it button all the way down? Yes, it's a full, let me button it up some. It's a full button up like blouse. It's like heavyweight. I mean, you can it's kind of sheer, but the material, it's like a super heavy material. Okay, come on. Oh my gosh. So I don't know how to button, I guess. Oh my gosh, I struggled putting my earrings in today. Like, there's a pair that I didn't want to wear that have like a really skinny post, and it would go through this ear just fine. I literally spent over half an hour trying to get these earrings in because they wouldn't go through. They have like 2 little ridges in the post. I don't know if that's what the problem was. I was getting so mad. I literally spent a half hour trying to get these earrings in. I don't wear earrings very often, but oh my gosh, I love this. Look how cute it is. It's navy and white, and it has cinch sleeves. These ones don't go to full length, so this is 3/4 sleeve. I love this pattern. And this material, it's super stretchy, but it's like I said, it's like a heavy material. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love that. Yay. And then it says there's an other. It says Maryland other item. It's these socks. I think I'll give these to Adri. Her feet are almost the same size as mine, and she's 9. They're these orange socks with roses on them. I don't think I've ever gotten socks from NADINE before. Those are just not my style. And then here's the necklace. The necklace is Trixie. The writing is so small. Ooh, this is different. So it's super long and it has like flowers. It's silver. It has like a flower and then a circle, some circles, and then a flower and then some circles. It's a long necklace, a really long necklace. Cute. That's really cute too. Whoa. Okay, so there's everything that came in this month, and now I'm going to go try it on, and we will see what we think of everything. So I will see you in a minute. Okay, I absolutely love this shirt. It's so cute. It fits like snug, but it's like super stretchy, so it's just like form-fitting. And you can have it either leave the little strap buttoned and wear it like 3/4 sleeves like that, or you can unbutton it like the little pieces inside the sleeve, and then it's long sleeve. I think this is so cute. You can button it as high up or as low down. It has like this little collar. I think it'd be so cute like with a white tank top, like in the summer, with it like tied in the front with your white tank top under it. Well, not if you have like extra weight like me, but anyway, it has the pockets over the boobs. Oh my gosh, I love this shirt. And then these are the jeans. They have actual pockets in front and back. They have just distressing only at the knee. So they have actual pockets front and back. I like these too. So I think this is super cute. I love this. I love this shirt. As soon as I took it out of the pack and saw that it was a shirt, I loved it. It's so pretty. Like the checkered navy with white. It's like fancy but not fancy. You know what I mean? It's not just like a regular button-up shirt, but you feel kind of like classy. I love this shirt. I like it both ways, down and up. So yes, I love this shirt. I only got 2 shirts, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put this cardigan on, which I would not wear with this shirt, but and this, it's funny, I undid one of the sleeves when I was checking it out, but it's opposite of this. Okay, I love this too. Yay! You can leave it buttoned, just like this blue shirt. You can leave it buttoned on the sleeve and make it 3/4, or unbutton it and it's long sleeve. It's not a super long cardigan. I love how it lays, how it comes down to like the point, and it's shorter in the back. I really like this. Doesn't look too bad with this shirt under it either. I love this one. I didn't think I was gonna like it because it wasn't long, but I do, and I like it both with the sleeve up, there's the button detail, and with the sleeve down. I like it both ways. so cute. I love it. And now I just need to try on the jeans. Oh, let me throw the necklace on real quick. It's a longer necklace. Cute, kind of summery because it has like flower looking things on it. Oh my gosh, I feel so cute right now. So cute to be downstairs doing dishes. Yay. Let me go try these other pants on real quick. I'll be right back. I love this. Okay, I really like these pants. They're just all black. They're almost like, they almost look like they have a sheen to them. You know, like looking at them in the light, they almost look like they would be like velvety or something because they look like they have a sheen. You probably can't tell on camera, but and then it has the waist, like the higher waist with the button detail. They look like they're velvet, but they're not. They're so comfortable though. They have front pockets, fake back pockets. They're a good length. They go down, there's like plenty of room so they're not like creeping up like capri style. And they're just black. Not the best lighting, it's a gloomy day. It's winter. Well, not technically, but there's just no space right here. Oh, I gotta get through my other clothes. But yeah, I love these pants. These are super comfortable, super soft. It's so weird how they look like they're like velvet or something. Anyways, I love everything in this one. I really do. I didn't think I would. Oh, the random thing was a pair of socks. I gave those to Adri. I'm like weird about socks, but she was more than happy to have those socks. So yeah. How cute is this shirt? I'm like, I love this shirt. Do you? Or is it just me? Or is this shirt like really stinking cute with the navy and the white? I love it. So yeah, I thank you for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.